Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to copy data in Excel as a picture. You may have a situation where you want to copy your calculations, objects, images, and charts as one picture, probably for presentation in PowerPoint. Now, to do this in Excel, you can highlight the area you want to copy. So this selection should include the objects, the calculations, and the charts or whatever image you are using. And go to Home in the ribbon. In the clipboard group, you see this option to copy. Now drop down and you see copy as a picture. So when you click, you get this option and you have options to show it when it's printed or show it as you have it on the screen. For best quality, the default is always better, but you can also try the other options. So you click OK, and this is copied on your clipboard. And you can come to, say, PowerPoint, if you have it open, and Control V, and you paste and adjust accordingly. So it's a very quick way to copy your entire data set from Excel to any point you want to do your presentation. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity, for all our old videos. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.